Basic versus advanced sentences. Improve your English and speak like a pro. Let's begin. 1. I was very tired after work. I felt completely drained after handling a long, stressful day at work. 2. She didn't come because she was tired. She was too exhausted to attend the event after a hectic schedule. 3. Can you help me with this? Would you mind assisting me with this task when you have a moment? 4. I forgot to send the email. I unintentionally overlooked sending the email due to back-to-back meetings. 5. I can't come today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it today due to prior commitments. 6. We had a great time at the beach. We had an incredibly refreshing and enjoyable time during our visit to the beach. I'm not sure what to do in this situation. I'm uncertain about the best course of action to take under these circumstances. She's very good at solving problems. She possesses excellent problem-solving skills and always finds practical solutions. Please call me when you're free. Kindly give me a call at your earliest convenience. I didn't understand what he said. I couldn't quite grasp the point he was trying to make during the conversation. I was busy with work. I was completely occupied with multiple responsibilities at the office. It's not my fault. I believe the issue arose due to factors beyond my control. I will try to do it tomorrow. I'll make a sincere effort to complete it by tomorrow if time permits. She reads a lot. She's an avid reader with a deep passion for literature. He came late again. He unfortunately arrived late again despite several reminders. This food is very tasty. The flavor of this dish is absolutely delightful and well balanced. I'm not sure what to say. I find myself at a loss for words given the complexity of the situation. She didn't agree with me. She respectfully disagreed and presented her viewpoint with clarity. Can we meet tomorrow? Would it be possible to schedule a meeting for tomorrow? I like to travel. I thoroughly enjoy exploring new places and experiencing diverse cultures. He is my good friend. He is a close friend whom I deeply trust and admire. I don't know the answer. I'm unsure of the correct answer at the moment, but I'll find out. It was a good movie. The film was captivating and left a lasting impression on me. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a while, and I'm feeling quite famished. I was bored at the party. The party lacked engagement and didn't hold my interest for long. This place is very beautiful. This location is absolutely breathtaking and visually stunning. I am happy with the results. I'm genuinely satisfied with the outcome of our efforts. He speaks very fast. He articulates his thoughts at a pace that can be challenging to follow. She got a new job. She secured an exciting new position that aligns with her career goals. I like listening to music. Listening to music is one of my favorite ways to relax and unwind. I feel sad today. I've been feeling a bit emotionally low today. He is very clever. He's exceptionally sharp and thinks several steps ahead. This is not good. This situation is far from ideal and needs immediate improvement. I don't like this color. This color doesn't quite appeal to my personal taste. She is a good speaker. She has an exceptional ability to communicate with clarity and persuasion. I'm going to the market. I'm heading to the market to pick up a few essential items. I don't agree with this. I respectfully disagree with this approach based on logical reasoning. He is a strong man. He is both physically resilient and mentally tough. I saw her yesterday. I happened to run into her yesterday during my visit to the library. We are going to the mall. We're planning a quick trip to the mall to do some shopping. I don't have time now. I'm currently occupied and won't be available until later. This is my house. This is the place I proudly call home. She looks happy. She appears to be in an exceptionally cheerful mood today. I missed the bus. Unfortunately, I arrived a moment too late and missed the bus. He lives near my house. He resides just a short distance from where I live. The weather is nice today. The weather today is pleasantly mild and perfect for a walk. I am going to sleep now. I'm heading to bed now as I need to be well rested for tomorrow. She didn't answer my call. I tried reaching her, but she was unavailable or possibly busy. They play football every day. They engage in football practice regularly as part of their routine. I watched a movie last night. I enjoyed a film last night that was both entertaining and thought-provoking. I don't want to go out now. I'd prefer to stay in for the evening as I'm feeling a bit tired. I bought a new phone. I recently purchased a new phone with advanced features and sleek design. I feel better today. My condition has noticeably improved, and I'm feeling much more energetic. He told me the truth. He finally opened up and revealed the truth to me in complete honesty. She knows everything about me. She understands me deeply and is aware of nearly every aspect of my life. We met after a long time. After a considerable gap, we finally had the chance to reconnect. I'm going to cook dinner. I'm preparing to make dinner with some of my favorite recipes. The baby is crying. The baby seems upset and has been crying continuously for a while. I can't find my keys. I've misplaced my keys and I've searched everywhere without success. She is very beautiful. She possesses an elegant beauty that is truly captivating. I'm going to the bank. I'm heading to the bank to handle a few urgent financial tasks. I forgot my password. I'm unable to recall my password at the moment and need to reset it. He didn't listen to me. He ignored my advice despite the seriousness of the matter. We had lunch together. We shared a pleasant lunch together and caught up on life. They made a mistake. They committed an error that could have been avoided with proper attention. I need to go now. I have to leave shortly as I have an important appointment. She helped me a lot. She provided me with invaluable support during a difficult time. He was my teacher. He was the one who mentored and guided me during my early learning years. I'll try my best. I will make every possible effort to ensure success. Don't be late. Please make sure to arrive on time to avoid any inconvenience. I have a headache. I'm experiencing a persistent headache and may need to rest. We're going on vacation. We've planned a much-needed vacation to unwind and explore. I didn't like the food. I found the food to be rather bland and not to my taste. She left early. She had to leave earlier than expected due to an urgent matter. He speaks politely. He communicates with exceptional courtesy and respect at all times. I love to paint. Painting is one of my greatest passions and creative outlets. We're going shopping. We're heading out to do some shopping for essentials and gifts. I'm going to rest for a while. I'll be taking a short break to relax and regain some energy. He got a promotion. He was recently promoted in recognition of his outstanding performance. I don't like waking up early. I'm not particularly fond of early mornings as I find them quite tiring. I'll call you later. I'll get back to you with a call as soon as I'm free. We finished our work. We successfully completed our tasks well before the deadline. She is not feeling well. She's feeling under the weather and might need some rest. I need your advice. I'd greatly appreciate your input and guidance on this matter. He is a kind person. He's genuinely compassionate and always willing to help others. We watched a show together. We spent the evening watching an entertaining show together. I'll see you tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow at the scheduled time. I don't like this place. I'm not particularly comfortable in this environment. She made a cake. She baked a delicious homemade cake for the occasion. He is very lucky. He seems incredibly fortunate to have such great opportunities. This is important. This matter requires immediate attention and should not be overlooked. I want to sleep more. I could really use some extra sleep to feel fully rested. The room is clean. The room is immaculately clean and well organized. We took a taxi. We opted for a taxi due to the lack of other transportation options. I feel tired. I'm feeling mentally and physically drained after a long day. She looks angry. She appears visibly upset, possibly due to a recent incident. I sent the document. I've emailed the document as requested, and it should arrive shortly. It's getting dark. The sky is darkening rapidly as evening sets in. I'll wait here. I'll remain here until you return or give me further instructions. He was surprised. He was genuinely astonished and didn't expect that outcome at all.